Which sump pump actually works when your basement starts flooding? Simple question, but the answer isn't so clear. Today I'm breaking down the 5 best options that actually deliver when water starts rising. Product number 1, Wayne CDU 980E. First up is the Wayne CDU 980E, a heavy-duty 3.4 HP submersible pump built like a tank. At $210, it sits in the mid to high price range, but what caught my eye was its stainless steel and cast iron construction. If you want serious power and long-term durability for a high-risk basement, this is worth a serious look. This thing moves 5,490 gallons per hour. That's over 90 gallons a minute, which means it can handle heavy downpours or snowmelt without breaking a sweat. The top suction design prevents airlock and clogs, which is huge because nothing's worse than your pump failing when you need it most. Plus, it installs in about 15 minutes with no weep hole needed, and it's assembled in the USA with a 5-year warranty. That kind of backing tells me they stand behind it. Now, some people might complain about the price, it's not cheap. But here's the thing, when your basement floods, you don't want the cheapest pump. You want one that won't quit. This is perfect for you if you live in a flood-prone area or have a finished basement you can't afford to lose. Skip this one if you're just dealing with occasional dampness and don't need industrial-grade power. For serious protection, this is a solid investment. Product number 2, Zoller M53 Mighty Mate. Now, if the Wayne feels a bit overbuilt for your needs, the Zoller M53 Mighty Mate offers a different kind of reliability. Priced at $267, it's actually more expensive, but it's a favorite among plumbers for a reason. If you want a no-nonsense, automatic pump that just works, this one's a strong contender. The 1.3 HP motor might seem underpowered compared to others, but Zoller's non-clogging vortex impeller design means it handles debris better than most. It's made with a cast iron housing and switch case, so it's built to last decades. Seriously, these things are known to run 20+ years. The float switch is fully automatic, so it kicks on the second water starts rising. That peace of mind is priceless when you're on vacation or asleep during a storm. The downside, it's heavier at 21 pounds and the plastic base feels a bit flimsy compared to the rest of the build. Some users also mention the cord could be longer, but honestly, that's minor. This is perfect for you if you want a pump that requires zero maintenance and runs forever. Skip it if you need to move water over 25 feet vertically or pump out large debris regularly. For quiet, dependable performance, Zoller is hard to beat. Product number 3, Superior Pump 90 1250. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be better for budget-conscious homeowners. The Superior Pump 90 1250 is only $79, a fraction of the others, but don't let the price fool you. If you want strong performance without overspending, this thermoplastic utility pump delivers. The 114-inch discharge port allows for high-capacity flow, and it includes a garden hose adapter, so you can use it for more than just sump duty. Think draining a pool or cleaning out a flooded crawl space. It's lightweight at under 7 pounds, easy to move, and the removable suction screen helps prevent clogs. Now the big drawback, it's not automatic. You have to turn it on and off manually, which means you need to be home during a storm. Also, thermoplastic isn't as durable as cast iron long-term, but for occasional use or as a backup, it's a steal. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget or only deal with minor water issues. Skip it if you need 24/7 automatic protection or live in a high flood risk zone. Product number 4, LANCHEZ12 HP Sump Pump. Now, if you like the affordability of the Superior Pump but want more power and automation, the LANCHEZ12 HP model steps it up. At $71, it's one of the cheapest on this list, yet it pumps 2,450 gallons per hour and lifts water up to 31 feet. That's more head pressure than most competitors. The oil-filled motor helps prevent overheating, which extends its lifespan, and the side inlet with metal filter keeps debris out. It even includes a multi-use hose adapter, so you can connect it to garden hoses or standard plumbing. The automatic shutoff kicks in when water drops below 1/5 inch, so you don't have to babysit it. The downside, it's not the most durable build. The plastic housing won't last decades like cast iron. And while it's automatic, the float switch isn't as refined as higher-end models. Still, for the price, it's hard to complain. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable pump for a basement, hot tub, or pond without spending over $100. Skip it if you need industrial-grade durability or are dealing with constant heavy flooding. Product number 5. FOTING12 HP Portable Pump. Finally, the FOTING12 HP pump is a versatile workhorse that removes water down to just 0.04 inches. That's practically dry. At $76, it's priced similarly to the LANCHEZ, but it includes a stainless steel filter and 3 hose adapters, making it incredibly flexible. It moves 2,450 GPH with a 25-foot lift and weighs only 8.5 pounds, so you can carry it anywhere. The ergonomic handle and hollow design make it easy to transport, and the corrosion-resistant thermoplastic body holds up well outdoors. But, and this is important, it's manual only. No automatic float switch. You have to turn it on and off yourself, which defeats the purpose for some. Also, the lack of automation means it's not ideal as a primary basement pump. Still, for spot use or as a secondary pump, it's excellent. This is perfect for you if you need a portable, multi-use pump for emergencies or outdoor water removal. Skip it if you need 24/7 automatic basement protection. So which one should you buy? The Wayne CDU 980E is best for heavy-duty long-term protection. The Zoller M53 is perfect for hands-off reliability. The Superior Pump 91250 wins on budget, while the LANCHEZ offers great value with automation. And the FOTING is ideal for portable, multi-use draining. Choose based on your risk level, budget, and how much automation you need. Stay dry out there.